am Neeta Sharma Kumar, an intuitive healer. I practice and teach Reiki, past life regression, clinical hypnotherapy, and I have a long journey of 25 years in healing field. But I had heard about Lama Fera in 2012, but that time I was little busy and I may be not so open to Lama Fera. I was practicing Reiki religiously for 10 years and I always wanted to learn Lama Fera. Then in 2024 onwards, I wanted to learn. Again, I got this feeling that I should learn Lama Fera. I was in between, I had got sick, I had cancer, I survived that. So again, this Lama Fera started coming back to my mind as I was resting in my bed. And so I was searching for somebody whom I want to learn face to face. I don't want to do Lama Fera online. So at present I was doing a workshop on angel healing. There our teacher was teaching Lama Fera and she was teaching online. I did not have this nice feeling that I should learn Lama Fera online. And that day while I was watching YouTube videos, suddenly I saw Guru Ma's Disha Dham Lama Fera ad there. So I noted down the number and I contacted Guru Ma in February 2026. But after talking to her, I was very convinced, but I felt sick and I was having constant bout of stomach upset for a week. It would become okay for 2 days and again. She in fact called me up end of Feb, then in March, but my health was not keeping well, and especially after Navratri, I was again having continuous stomach upset and I was feeling very sick. Then finally I made up my mind. She also called me up and then I came to learn Lama Fera finally in April. On 11th and 12th of April, I came to learn Lama Fera. And again, as if we could have had it, that day we did not get anyone on whom I could practice my Lama Fera healing. So I went back, she told me how to do and I did one small on her, some relative, and then we went back. So again in between she told me you come and learn your healing properly. But there was some emergency in my home, so I could not come in between. Then I again decided today, no, I have to come and complete my healing journey in Lama Fera. This is about my Lama Fera journey. Next, I especially want to speak about Guru Ma because I felt that I have some connection with her and I was very convinced when I spoke to her and when I met her. She was like a mother endowment. Completely, she appears like a mother to me, very affectionate, but she very disciplined and she will correct you wherever it is needed. So thank you Guru Ma for making me learn Lama Fera from you, giving me Diksha and making me a student. I feel very proud and fortunate to have connected to you. Thank you. Third attunement experience which Guru Ma gave me online. We started after 2 days of some issues. Guru Ma had some throat issue. One day she had low energy, and then finally third day we connected to have for my third attunement. While she was giving me attunement, suddenly our phone got disconnected. Video call got disconnected, and since she had told me not to open my eyes, I was just sitting quietly waiting for her instructions. Then finally, it was almost after 10 minutes, I took up my phone and she scolded me that your phone has got disconnected, you know, pick up the phone. So I told her that I was following your instruction that you are not supposed to open your eyes. Then finally, she gave me third attunement that day, and before that also I was having serious stomach issue. And after that attunement, I slept for 6 hours that day. And when I got up, I was feeling well and my stomach was stabilized. I did not have stomach upset after that. So thank you, Guru Ma. It was an amazing experience meeting you and connecting to your energy. you have what to say, blessed person to come into my life, and I feel blessed. Thank you.